Blast the filth away. PowRyte 3800 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. Foam, power and pure satisfaction. Dirt, mildew, and stubborn grime don't stand a chance against the PowRyte 3800 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. With a beastly 2.4 GPM flow rate and 4 interchangeable pressure tips, this bad boy delivers customized cleaning power for every surface, whether you're obliterating driveway stains, reviving your deck, or giving your car a spa day with its epic foam cannon. Unlike those flimsy, underwhelming washers, this powerhouse is built with an N-COR pump, non-corrosive, maintenance-free, and tougher than a weekend warrior with a honey-do list. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year warranty, so you know it's in it for the long haul. Forget weak suds, this pressure washer comes with a built-in snow foam lance that shoots rich, dense foam directly onto surfaces. Unlike other washers that send cleansers through the pump, shortening their lifespan, PowRyte keeps detergents away, letting you use bleach, vinegar, and hardcore cleaners without worry. That means you're getting next-level deep cleaning without wrecking your machine. The thick foam clings like a pro, lifting dirt effortlessly so your car, house, or patio gleams like it's straight out of a commercial. More foam, less elbow grease. You're welcome. Don't play guess the pressure with a one-size-fits-none nozzle. PowRyte comes with 4 universal tips so you can hit every cleaning job with precision. Need laser-focused power to blast oil stains? The 0 degrees tip has your back. Cleaning brick, concrete, or stone? The 15 degrees tip brings the heat. Wood decks and vinyl siding? 25 degrees does the trick. And for fragile surfaces like windows? The 40 degrees tip keeps it gentle. Swap them out in seconds and enjoy precision cleaning without wrecking your stuff. Other washers make you settle, PowRyte gives you control. Time is money, and PowRyte saves both. No frustrating setup, no backbreaking scrubbing, just plug, snap, spray, and boom, clean. The 20-foot hose reaches high and low without constant repositioning, and if you don't have a water tap? No sweat, it sucks water from a container for on-the-go cleaning. Lightweight yet rugged, it won't tip over like those wobbly bargain models. And when you're done, store it effortlessly. It's the pressure washer that works for you, not against you. Why settle for an overpriced gas guzzler or a weak electric toy? PowRyte delivers pro-level cleaning at a price that won't wreck your wallet. Built to last, easy to use, and packed with premium features usually found in higher-end models, it's an investment that pays for itself. DIY car washes, deep-cleaned patios, and sparkling windows, all without hiring expensive services. Say goodbye to scrubbing, save time, and watch years of grime disappear in seconds. Want power, convenience, and killer results? You just found it. Click Add to Cart and let the cleaning magic begin.